What's up, YouTube? Today is February 5th, and I'm just going to be doing a daily overview and a trade recap. So, coming into the day, my bias was neutral, but it was leaning more towards bearish because price had formed this bearish fair value gap on the hourly, and we respected it quite nicely. And overall, price action has just looked bearish. So, coming into the day at 8:30 at New York Open, we had these nice equal highs right here. And as you can see, New York Open went down a little bit, but then it just ripped straight through those equal highs. So I didn't really have a clear draw on liquidity after that. But then price came up, swept these little highs over here and tapped into this 15-minute bearish gap and tapped into this 1 hour bearish gap. So I figured we would get a reaction off of that, and I wanted to short this 1 minute fair value gap right here. And as you can see, price played around for a little bit, and then eventually we got the entry right here. But it was at 8:56, but we had news at 9 o'clock, so I didn't want to take it because, it was 4 minutes away from news. But I seen that Dodgy had took it, and yeah, it's kind of weird Dodgy's trading news now. He's a little bit of a moron for that, but it's all good. And as you can see, news just pushed price towards final TP right there and left a news high right here. So yeah, I didn't take this, but it ended up hitting. And later on, as price kept going down on the hourly right here, I seen we had a new week opening gap over here that had not been entirely filled. So price had pushed down and filled in the new week opening gap. So then I was looking for a buy setup. And as you can see, we had this nice 2 minute bearish gap right here. So I was looking to inverse it and get the entry. And we did right there. As you can see, we had a nice push up. So I entered right here. And I set the break even once we hit this high right here. And as you can see, price came up, hit the high barely, and then went straight down to break even, and I got stopped out at break even. And usually I would just hold for a news high, but since price had been chopping up and we weren't delivering out of any clear higher time frame fair value gap, I just set the break even when I was supposed to, and yep, we got stopped out. And good thing I did, because as you can see, price just ended up wrecking this fair value gap afterwards. And yeah, I got stopped out at break even. That was the only trade I took today. And later on, I think that news high actually got hit. Yep, right there around 10:30. So yeah, that was the only trade I took. And let me see my account right now. So here's the account that I took it on. And as you can see, it's minus $10. So yeah, pretty much break even. And the account is sitting at $48,862 right now. And I'm going to be trading it tomorrow. Hopefully we get a clean setup, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.